In this video, I'm going to show you the simplest tutorial that you'll need, how to make a plant in Infinite Craft. Now, to get started, the first thing that you will need to do is to open Infinite Craft on your device. You can open the app on your mobile device or the web version. And here, go ahead and drag the earth element and the water element and combine it together, and you'll be able to create the plant element on your Infinite Craft. And that is how you can simply make a plant on Infinite Craft. It takes only two elements from the element section. That is, once combined, you can simply create a plant such as the elements water and earth. If there are other recipes that you want us to create a video for, please don't forget to comment it down below. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.